Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal here at Riverdale Street, and we're going to be watching some REMs go by here on the 12th of November 2025. Only a couple of days to go before we can ride these trains here in Pierrefonds on a beautiful day. Mild, not really sunny or anything, but still, after a very unexpected snowfall, interesting to see. Leaves still haven't dropped from a lot of these trees here on Celtis Street in Pierrefonds. Oh, did somebody tag that fucking train already? Okay, so that'll do it for me here at Cedille, I think it is, Street. And also Riverdale Street here in Pierrefonds. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day. Yeah, this is Celtis Street here in Pierrefonds. Yeah, I can hear it coming. Okay, and here we're back on Riverdale Street, and the lights are on. It's getting dark, so I'll be getting one more view, and that'll be the end. And here's the last one. So if you like what I do, oh, there's one coming back the other way, so I'll get that one. That'll be the last one. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.